I can do all the things through him who strengthens me, for I can do everything through Christ who gives me strength. 4:13 Philippians. Good afternoon. My name is Charlie Culbertson, and I am from Greenfield High School. Since I've been here in the GPS Ed program, it has been a real struggle. I wasn't motivated to do school or even show up on time. The only thing I wanted to do was get hired by a business partner and get paid, but neither one happened, so I had to find my own employment and try my hardest to stay employed. One of my most important things here at GPS is treating others with respect, and maybe I didn't do that all the time, but I really tried. I still continue to make both my teachers' blood boil, but no matter how much I do that, I'm always able to count on them when it comes to solving math problems. The GPS education program is better than the traditional high school because I got way more help when it comes to one-on-one assignments. Also, I was able to volunteer at the Hunger Task Force and help others in need. I love the group activities within the organization. I would like to thank my father as my #1 supporter throughout high school. Did you know how many times I wanted to drop out just because of one math question? Now that's a lot of math problems. The most important thing here is how many people have helped me. I would like to thank both my teachers, Rocio and Pierre, for their dedication and determination for me to pass high school. Lastly, I would like to thank the GPS Ed administration for even accepting me into this program because they saw potential in me. Thank you to Greenfield High School for giving me the opportunity to find my academic pathway with the GPS program.